Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to hide or unhide an Instagram Reel video from your profile grid. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts, including Reels, will be displayed. Find the reel you want to hide from your profile grid. Tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the reel. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Remove from Profile Grid. Now, even though the reel has been hidden from your profile grid, you can still access it by going to the Reels section of the app. To bring the reel back to your profile grid, simply open the reel again, tap on the three dots icon, and this time select Manage. In the Manage options, tap on Add to Profile Grid. So that's basically how you can control the visibility of your Reel videos on your Instagram profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks,